Hello there, everybody. My name is SMP. So, if you didn't know me from my last video, which was like an introduction to my new channel, it's my second video. So, because only 10 people watched it so far, it's been 4 days since. So, I said I'd do it on the weekend or every time I have no school off. So, yeah. Let's get so it's kind of late, so I'll be watching a try not to laugh challenge, and yeah, let's get started.
No, I got it.
Lily, who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
Let's see. Yeah, nice blue collar. It's a good color scheme. Makes funny faces. 9 out of 10.
Oh look, I broke your glass. That's a bummer. Are you gonna feed me or what?
Cat scared of hacky sack?
Let's find out.
Yeah, go ahead, pull it through. Thanks, bud.
Come on, can you sing?
I'm like, I need foster care.
Wow, that's mean. Before we go any further, I just want to give a thank you to my first subscriber, and his channel is Voltex, capital V, capital O, capital L, capital T, X. So, just want to thank him and thank all the 10 people that watched my video, or I showed my video to. So, anyway, back to the video.
Oh shit! Help! Help!
What the hell, dude?
Yeah, I think we're gonna end it there, because I don't do bad words. So, I think I'll see you guys in my next video. Anyway, see ya. And remember, like and subscribe. Bye.